Imagine turning your favorite image and text into a captivating sound effect. Sounds intriguing, right? Introducing image effects. Simplify your audio production with image effects. Let's start with an image. Upload your image and click Generate Custom Sound. Once your sound effect is ready, give it a preview to ensure it matches your vision. If you are happy with the result, simply click Download to save your unique creation. But what if you have a specific idea in mind and want to create a sound effect from text? Stick around. We are about to dive into that next. To create a sound effect from text, select the Text to Sound option. Enter your text prompt and hit Generate Custom Sound. Preview the generated sound effect to ensure it captures the essence of your text. Once you are satisfied, click Download to save it. And there you have it. 2 powerful ways to generate sound effects using image effects. Whether you are working with images or text, you can unleash your creativity with just a few clicks. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.